When it comes to window installation in Washington, D.C., choosing the right service provider is crucial for ensuring long-lasting results. Our Washington, D.C. window installation services are designed to meet the unique needs of both residential and commercial properties. With a focus on quality and efficiency, we offer a wide range of window solutions, including energy-efficient windows, custom windows, and vinyl windows. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing top-notch service, ensuring that your Windows Washington is installed correctly and efficiently. Energy-efficient window solutions in Washington, D.C. are becoming increasingly popular as homeowners and businesses look to reduce their energy costs. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize natural light, helping you save on energy bills while enhancing the comfort of your space. We offer a variety of energy-efficient window options, including double-hung windows, casement windows, and bay windows, all tailored to meet the specific needs of your property. Window replacement is an essential service for maintaining the integrity of your windows, and our Washington, D.C. window replacement services are second to none. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame replacement, or window sealing services in Washington, D.C., our technicians are equipped with the skills and tools to restore your windows to their optimal condition. We also offer professional window maintenance in Washington, D.C. to keep your windows looking and functioning like new. Custom windows, Washington designs allow you to create a unique look for your home or business. Whether you're looking for a modern, sleek design or a more traditional style, our custom window solutions can be tailored to fit your aesthetic preferences. Our team of experts will work with you to design and install windows that not only enhance the appearance of your property, but also improve its functionality and energy efficiency. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for many homeowners in Washington, D.C. due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. As vinyl window experts in Washington, D.C., we offer a wide range of vinyl window options that are both stylish and functional. Our vinyl windows are designed to withstand the elements, providing long-lasting performance and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to replace old windows or install new ones, our vinyl window solutions are an excellent choice. Double-hung windows are a classic choice for many homes in Washington, D.C., offering both style and functionality. As double-hung window specialists in Washington, D.C., we provide a variety of options to suit your needs. Our double-hung windows are designed for easy operation and maintenance, making them a practical choice for any home. With a range of styles and finishes available, you can find the perfect double-hung windows to complement your property's aesthetic. Casement windows are a versatile option for homeowners in Washington, D.C., offering excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Our casement window services in Washington, D.C. include installation, replacement, and maintenance, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. With a variety of styles and materials to choose from, our casement windows can be customized to fit your specific needs. Bay Windows Washington adds a touch of elegance and spaciousness to any room. Our bay window installation services in Washington, D.C. are designed to enhance the natural light and space in your home, creating a cozy nook or a dramatic focal point. With our expert installation, you can enjoy the beauty and functionality of Bay Windows Washington.